screen.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 1:45 p.m. on January 4, 2023, effective until 2:45 p.m. This is a coordinated required monthly test from the Minnesota Department of Public Safety, along with the broadcasters in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, instructions would have followed the alert tones. No action is required.
Stay tuned, here's what's coming up on all 4 TPT channels. On Agatha Christie's Poirot.
I'm dreadfully afraid I'm being poisoned.